Good afternoon, and thank you for joining me. If you were able to catch 9 News at noon, then you've probably already seen this, and thank you for joining all over again. If you haven't, then I'm going to go ahead and take you through our forecast, what we're expecting through the next 7 days. And yes, that does include our Christmas forecast. I know a lot of people have been asking if we're going to have a white Christmas, and we knew all along that was going to be a long shot. So it's looking like for sure on our 7-day forecast, with Christmas, of course, in it, we're not going to see any snow falling. Maybe some lucky people could see remaining snow from earlier snowfall events, but it's looking like our Christmas is actually going to be pretty sunny and above average. Right now, though, maybe people out there doing some Christmas shopping. This is in Boulder, and you can see that's not looking too bad out there. If you do have to be out and about getting some last-minute shopping done, today and tomorrow are going to be great days for that because we're going to see sunny skies and above average temperatures. We're at 53 right now in Denver, and with winds coming in from the west at 14 miles per hour, actually feels like 53 degrees out there. Not a whole lot of wind chill effect happening right now. So that's nice. It's keeping us nice and warm. You take a look at current temperatures all across the state, and this is where you can see that usual divide. The western half of the state a little cooler, where you could see mostly 30s and 40s. Mountain areas a little colder than that, in the teens and 20s. But in the Front Range is where we're seeing lots of 50-degree temperatures. We're expecting those highs in the mid-50s today in Denver, but you can see some areas already warmer than that. 59 degrees right now in Fort Collins, 56 in Colorado Springs, 55 in Pueblo. So we're going to continue to just enjoy this warmer weather today and tomorrow before we get a cold shot moving into the area Wednesday. 24 hours ago, temperatures are mostly around 5 to 10 degrees cooler. So you can see that the entire state has warmed up from this time yesterday. Yesterday, we saw those highs mostly in the 30s and 40s, a little further west, low 50s, upper 40s further east. Our HD Doppler radar is not showing a whole lot, and that's why we have those nice clear skies out there. We have some minor cloud cover moving through the area, but overall very quiet through the rest of the day and through the evening. If you are going to be out stargazing or planet gazing later tonight, we're going to have a beautiful view for that. As we go into Tuesday, that's when we continue to see sunny skies. Those temperatures getting even warmer. We're expecting those highs in the upper 50s in Denver tomorrow, but some areas, those mountain areas, are going to see snow return, and it's not going to be a widespread event. Most of the snowfall is going to stay in the mountains, and those areas could see maybe anywhere between 2 to 6 inches, maybe isolated 6 inches, mostly between 2 to 4. So again, most of that snow likely to stay in the mountain areas as we go throughout our Tuesday. Then once we go into the overnight hours Tuesday night into early Wednesday is when we can start to see those flurries make their way into the Denver metro. But again, we're expecting just trace amounts of snowfall from this event. Today, those highs, a whole different story from any sort of snowfall. Quite the opposite. We're above average and mostly sunny. Again, 55 degrees is what we're expecting in Denver. You can see a lot of 30s, lower to mid 30s off to the west. Then to the east, temperatures mostly in the mid to upper 40s. We will see some warmer areas. I think Fort Collins going to be a little warmer than that, as they're already seeing those highs for the day. We're also going to see those highs a little earlier today. That's something else to note. Those highs will probably be around 2 o'clock this afternoon, and then it'll start to get cooler as we go into the evening hours. So if you are planning out the rest of your day, it's going to be partly cloudy to mostly sunny. Those highs near 55 degrees in Denver. But then later tonight, while we continue to have those clear skies, we will cool down quite a bit to the upper 20s, which, mind you, is still above average for this time of year. This is our 7-day forecast. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this, asking questions about what we're going to be expecting for Christmas. So here it is. On Friday, we see that beautiful glowing Christmas ornament on the 7-day forecast. It's looking to be mostly sunny and above average. So our snow chances are mostly going to be Tuesday night into early Wednesday for the Front Range. Those mountain areas can start to see that snow Tuesday afternoon to early evening. So once we go through today and then tomorrow afternoon, most of us continuing to see that warmer weather, mid 50s today, upper 50s tomorrow, and then again Snow tomorrow afternoon for the mountain areas, and then Front Range could see some flurries late Tuesday night, overnight hours into early Wednesday. The bigger thing that you're going to notice on Wednesday is going to be that temperature change. We go from 59 degrees Tuesday to 30 degrees for our high on Wednesday. We slowly start to rebound as we get toward Christmas, and that's again where we're seeing those above average highs, sunny skies on Christmas Day. 52 degrees is our expected high there. Then a pretty mild weekend after Christmas if you're doing any after Christmas shopping. So this is usually around the time where I try to log in to Facebook and see if we have any comments or questions. And it looks like we do. Marilyn says everyone needs to wear a mask. Yes, I agree. Is it too early to see highs? I think we maybe have a couple hours left for these temperatures to continue to climb before we max out for the day. All right, well, I think I don't know if I'm able to see all the questions, but or comments, but it doesn't look like anyone has any questions going further. So that's just, I guess, to summarize everything in the forecast today and tomorrow. Sunny and warm. We do have snow chances Tuesday night into Wednesday. Most of that looking to stay in the mountain areas. Around 2 to 6 inch snowfall range is there. The rest of us in the Front Range will start to see that snow kind of spill out into our area overnight, but just a dusting of snow by Wednesday morning. The bigger issue on Wednesday is going to be those cold temperatures. We go from upper 50s on Tuesday to low 30s as our high on Wednesday. Then for Christmas is when we start to see those temperatures slowly climb. We'll be mostly sunny and above average for our Christmas Day forecast. So that's all I have for you today. Join me back at the same time tomorrow. Have a good one.